system, components of management information system, and then we will discuss importance of management information system for businesses, information system, resources, and activities of management information system. So let's start with management information system. Management information system is the use of information technology, people, and business processes to record, store, and process data to produce information, and the information are then used by the decision makers to make day-to-day decisions. We can also define MIS as a system which provides information support for decision making in an organization. And we can also define MIS as an integrated system of man and machine for providing the information to support all the operations of an organization, the management of the organization, and the decision-making function in the organization. Management information system is mainly used for decision making. Management information system is actually a combination of two terms. It's the management and the information system. Management is the activity to organize and coordinate all the activities of a business in order to achieve defined objectives. And information system can be defined as a combination of hardware, software, infrastructure, and trained personnel organized to facilitate planning, control, coordination, and decision making in an organization. Needs of management information system. So following are some of the justification for having an MIS system, and these are: first need of management information system is that the decision makers need information to make effective decisions, and this is possible by using MIS. Because MIS provide the information that is accurate, information must be free from errors and mistakes. The information that MIS provide is complete. All the information needed to make a good decision must be available. Nothing should be missed. And also the information that the MIS provide is cost effective. The cost of obtaining information must not exceed the benefit of the information in monetary terms. It must be the information must be user focused. It must be relevant and timely. And all these characteristics of good information is achieved only when we use management information system. Second need of management information system is that the MIS facilitates communication within and outside the organization. Employees of the organization can communicate with each other. They collaborate information and they communicate information in a systematic way. Employees of the organization can also communicate outside the organization. Third need of management information system is record keeping. Management information system records all the business transactions, and all the records, all the transactions, and all the activities of the management information system are stored in the MIS and provides a reference point for the transactions. Components of management information system. Management information system is made up of 5 major components, namely people, hardware, software, data, and procedures. And all of these components must work together to achieve business objectives. First component of management information system is people. These are the users who use the information system to record the day-to-day business transactions. The users are usually qualified professionals such as accountants, human resource managers, etc. Second component of management information system is data, and data is the recorded day-to-day business transactions. For example, for a bank, data is collected from activities such as deposits, withdrawals, etc. Third component of management information system is business procedure, and these are agreed upon best practices that guides the user and all other components on how to work efficiently. Business procedures are developed by people, for example, users, consultants, etc. Fourth component of management information system is hardware. And hardware is made up of the computers, printers, networking devices, etc. The hardware provides the computing power for processing data. It also provides networking and printing capabilities. The hardware speeds up the processing of data into information. And fifth component of management information system is software. These are programs that runs on the hardware. The software is broken down into two types. This is namely the system software and the application softwares, and all these softwares are necessary for the operations of management information system. Importance of information system for businesses. Following are some of the reasons that's why most of the businesses use management information system. First importance of management information system is operational excellence. Operational excellence seeks to improve the operations of the business and to streamline all the operations of a business. Let's take an example of a retail store. A retail store can use information system to automatically place an order with a supplier once the inventory level reaches the reorder limit, and this ensures that the retail store never runs out of inventory and customer can always count on it to find what they need. Second importance of management information system is new product, services, and business models. Information systems play a major role for businesses in creating new products and services. New business models can be created, and these can describe how a company produce, create, and sell their products. Let's continue with the example of a retail store. The retail store can develop a web-based order system or smartphone application that clients can use to buy items from the comfort of their homes or wherever they are. The order system can be linked to a delivery business and have support for online payment. This is a new business model compared to customer walking in to make purchases versus doing it from home or web-based smartphones apps. Third importance of management information system for businesses is customer and supplier intimacy. The better services a company provides its consumer with, more likely they are to come back to them, and as a result the more they will buy of the supplier, therefore creating a good relationship with both parties. And this is achieved because of the historical data is used to understand the need of the customers and suppliers, and this data is then used to create services and products that address the needs. This leads to long-term relationships with customers and businesses, which puts an organization in a more profitable position. Fourth component of management information system is improved decision making. Information is critical when making decisions, and information system, if designed and operated efficiently, output information that has all the characteristics of good information that we have described in the above section. This enables an organization to make decisions that will profit the organization. Fifth importance of management information system is competitive advantage. And if companies achieve any of the six reasons that we have explained to use information system, they will generally create a competitive advantage over its competitors. Sixth importance of management information system is day-to-day survival. To survive in the market, businesses invest in these systems to make their job as easy as possible and to streamline all their operations and their activities. And an example of this is Citibank introduced the first ATM machine to make it easier for customers to access their money and to cut down queues in their banks. Information system resources. Now following are some of the resources that is used in management information system, and these resources are important for management information system to work. First resource of management information system is people, and people are required for the operation of all information system. These people resources include end users and specialists. For example, end users are accountants, salespersons, engineers, clerks, customers, or managers. And it may be information system specialists, which are people who develop and operate information system. They include system analysts, programmers, computer operators, and other managerial, technical, and clerical information system personnel. A computer system analyst design information system based on the information requirement of end users. Programmers prepare computer programs based on the specification of system analyst, and operator operates the computer system. Second component of management information system is hardware resource, and hardware resources include all the physical devices and materials used in information processing. Example of hardware and computer-based information system are computer system itself and all the peripherals of computers, that is the networking devices, keyboards, electronic mouse, input data and commands, video screen, printer, and magnetic and optical disk for storage of data resources. Third resource of management information system is software resources, and software's resources includes all sets of information processing instructions. This generic concept of software include not only the set of operating instructions called programs which direct and control computer hardware, but also the set of information processing instruction needed by people called procedure. And software resources are further classified into system softwares, application softwares, and procedures. System softwares are necessary for the computer system to run, and application softwares provide a specific problem-related solution to the user. It provides services in a specific problem domain, and procedures are operating instruction for people who will use information system. Example are instructions for filling out a paper form or using a software package. Fourth resource of management information system is data. Data is more than the raw materials of information system. The concept of data resource has been broadened by managers and information system professionals. They realize that data constitutes a valuable organization resource. As you should view data as data resource that must be managed effectively to benefit all end users in an organization. Data are classified. Our data resource of information system are typically organized into databases that holds processed and organized data, knowledge base that holds knowledge in variety of forms such as facts, rules, and case examples about successful business practices. Information system activities. The major activities of an information system is uh, input of data resource, data about business transactions and other events must be captured and prepared for processing by the input activities. Input typically takes the form of data entry activities such as recording and editing. End user typically record data about transaction on some type of physical medium such as a paper form or enter it directly into a computer system. This usually includes a variety of editing activities to ensure that they have recorded data correctly. Once entered, data may be transferred into a machine readable medium such as magnetic disk until needed for processing. Second activity of management information system is uh, processing of data into information. Data is typically subjected to processing activities such as calculating, comparing, sorting, classifying, and summarizing. And these activities organize, analyze, and manipulate data, thus converting them into information for end users. The quality of any data stored in an information system must also be maintained by a continual process of correcting and updating activity. Third activity of management information system is output of information products. Information in various forms is transmitted to end users and made available to them in the output activities. The goal of information system is the production of appropriate information products for end users. Common information products, messages, reports, forms, and graphics images, which may be provided by video displays, audio responses, paper products, and multimedia. For example, a sales manager may view a video display to check on the performance of a salesperson, accept a computer produced voice message by telephone, and receive a printout of monthly sales results. Fourth activity of management information system is storage of data resources. The data storage is a basic system component of information system, and storage is the information system activity in which data and information are retained in an organized manner for later use. For example, just as written text materials is organized into words, sentences, paragraphs, and documents, stored data is commonly organized into fields, records, files, and databases. And this facility is its later use in processing or its retrieval is output when needed by users of a system. Fifth component of management and fifth activity of management information system is to control the performance of a management information system, and this activity is important for information system. An information system should produce feedback about its input, processing, output, and the system is meeting established performance standards. Then appropriate system activities must be adjusted so that proper information products are produced for end user. For example, a manager may discover that subtotal of sale amount in a sales report do not add up to total sales, and this might mean that the data entry or processing procedures need to be corrected. Then changes would have to be made to ensure that all sales transactions would be properly captured and processed by a sales information